Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by putting the ZV E10 into manual exposure. Set the mode dial to M so aperture, shutter, and ISO are yours to control. Once done, flip the lens switch to MF and gently rotate the focus ring to feel its resistance. Make sure focus peaking is turned on in the menu. This highlights sharp edges. You'll see color overlays where focus is strongest. This visual guide speeds up fine adjustments and prevents hunting when you move between subjects or change composition. Once you have rough focus, compose your shot and zoom in using the camera's magnify function. 3x or 5x gives precision. While magnified, turn the focus ring slowly until the subject's critical edge is razor sharp. Peaking confirms it. Make sure aperture matches your intent. Wider for subject separation, smaller for more area in focus. Release magnify to check the whole frame, then repeat if needed. This cycle, magnify, adjust, verify, keeps your workflow deliberate and repeatable. Before you shoot, lock exposure settings or assign AF on to a button so you don't accidentally change brightness while focusing. Press halfway on the shutter if you like, but consider back button methods to separate focus from release. When ready, gently press the shutter. Keep movement smooth to maintain focus. If the camera starts hunting or peaking seems unreliable, turn peaking off, remagnify at 5x, and refocus manually. This often clears false positives. Finally, review the image at 100% to confirm critical sharpness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.